Elvis Kresse essentially does three things. We rescue materials, we transform them into beautiful things, and then we donate 50% of the profits to charity. The first material we rescued was London's decommissioned fire hose, and when we started researching this material, we learned two things. One, that the luxury industry was failing the environment and failing its people, and we also learned that nitrile rubber, which is what fire hose is used by many luxury companies. So we knew we had a good chance to not just save the waste, but disrupt an entire industry as well. We knew we could basically deliver a guilt-free it bag. And that became quite a mission for us because we wanted someone to have basically this aspirational piece on their arm that delivered against, paying living wages, running apprenticeships, rescuing materials, giving money away. We wanted it to really be about the kind of values you learn and treasure in kindergarten and then forget as you grow older and become slightly more selfish and slightly less engaged with the natural world. Our process is entirely backward. We don't start with an idea for a bag, we do not start with a sketch, we start with the waste itself. So with the fire hose, we literally put it in front of us, look at how wide it is, look at what its possibilities are in terms of flexibility, in terms of durability, and we apply that utility to a bag shape. So once we've analyzed the hose and what it can do, we're then looking at how that hose can reinterpret classic utilitarian designs. And that really informs the whole process. We literally just start working with the material in question. And fire hose is a noble material. It's already existed in the field for 25 years. There's no way that we can give it a second life that doesn't honor and live up to that. We have to ensure that it's going to be around for a very long time. There's nothing too different about the manufacturing process between us and any other luxury brand. It's traditional craftsmanship, it's hand making, it's taking it stitch by stitch and rivet by rivet.